Hi everyone. In this lesson, we're gonna do multi-step equation. In previous lessons, we did one-step equation, then two-step equation, and now we're gonna do multi-step equation. What is multi-step equation? Multi-step equation is an equation that takes two or more steps to solve, to find our variable. When we're solving the equation, our goal is to find the value of variable that makes the equation true. In this case, we have x. So what we do, the first thing, we need to combine similar numbers to one side, variables to the other side, and then separate the numbers from variable, and it will take many steps. Finally, we will have our variable alone by itself or isolated. So in this case, we have parentheses. Remember, we need to solve the problem of parentheses first. Here we have 7 times 2x minus 1. We cannot do the operation inside the parentheses because one is unknown, the other one is a number. So we're gonna do here our distributive property. Remember, we learned it. We're gonna multiply first. We have variable with variable, and then we're gonna multiply 7 with negative 1. Let's see what we get. 7 times 2x equals 14x. Then minus 7 times 1 equals to 7. Then we continue what we have. Minus 11 equals to 6 plus 6x. Now we have two variables and we have numbers. We're gonna combine all together. The next step we do is we're gonna combine these two numbers together in left side. Let's start doing it. What we have? 14x minus 7 minus 11 equals 2. Remember, if we have both negatives, we add the numbers, and answer is always negative. 7 plus 11 equals to 18. So our numbers we combine together and we have equal to 6 plus 6x. Now what we have? We have two variables and we have two numbers. What we do? We're gonna combine the variables to the left side and we're gonna take the numbers to the right side. Next step will be we will do the inverse operation. We have negative 18. We're gonna add 18, positive 18 plus 18. Same number, take away same number will be 0. And we add to the right side too to keep our balance equally. So now negative 18 plus 18 will be 0. Let's write down what remains. 14x equals to 6 plus 18 will be 24 plus 6x. Let's check what remains. Remains here one variable to the right side, one variable to the left side, and the number is fine. We already have numbers separated. So our next operation will be bring all unknowns to the left. We have here plus 6x. We're gonna do the opposite, minus 6x in both sides. Minus 6x to keep the balance. 6x minus 6x will be 0. 14x minus 6x will be 8x equals to what we have in right side, 24. See, we step by step, we did multi-step operations, and we came, and right here we have 8x equals to 24. Remains one more step to isolate our variable. We have 8 times x, so we're gonna do the inverse. We're gonna divide by 8 to keep x alone. Divide by 8 both sides. In this side we will have just x, which is equal to 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So we found our variable, which is equal to 3. We did multi-steps and we found the answer. Let's do one more here. If we have 2x plus 12 equals to 78 minus 48, now our both variables are in left side. We're gonna combine similar numbers together. So here we have 2x plus x. This is very easy. In this step we're gonna just add the variables together. We will have 3x plus, we have 12 here, equals to 78 minus 48 will be 30. Now we have here one variable and we have number 12 and 30. This one is two-step equation already. We made it from multi-step one step less. So we have 3x plus 12 equals 30. Our next step is to get rid of 12 from the left side. So we do the inverse, we do opposite. Minus 12 both sides, minus 12. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. 30 minus 12 will be 18. And what we have in this left side, 3x equals to 18. Now we have 3x equals to 18, which is one step equation that we learned before. What we're gonna do, we almost in the final, we have to take 3 away, so x stays by itself. It's 3 times x. We're gonna divide by 3, so x will stay alone. Both sides, don't forget, we divide both sides. We do the same operation in both sides. We have to do it to keep the balance. And then 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now we have x equals to 6. This is our answer for this multi-step equation. We have to do it in order. What is the goal? Goal is to find our unknown, our variable. The first thing we do, we combine similar numbers together, variables with variables, numbers with numbers, and then we take all unknowns, all variables to the left, and we take all numbers to the right, and we solve it for x. Thank you for watching. This is multi-step equation. We're gonna solve later many of this kind of problems. Remember this. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye.